Joselyn, Gracia, Rusley, Albert Einstein. Hi everyone, it's me, Joselyn Gracia Rusley from grade 7 JB. And today we have a special guest, Albert Einstein. And he will be telling us about his journey on being a successful person. Let me present to you Albert Einstein. Thank you, Joselyn. So, I was born in ULM, Kingdom of Württemberg, Germany in 1879. But I moved to Switzerland when I was 4 years old. I had a father named Hermann Einstein, a mother named Pauline Koch, and a sister called Maya. When I was a little boy, I would focus on things I cared about, like building a house of cards 14 stories high. But when I wasn't interested in something, I was known to have a temper tantrum or two. I also loved music. I spent hours practicing my violin and playing music from my favorite composers. My home was often filled with the music of Mozart and Beethoven. When I was 12 years old, I received a geometry book. I studied the shapes and angle points and lines, and then moved to even harder books on mathematics. After my family moved to Italy when I was 15, I quit school altogether. But when I tried to enroll in the Polytechnic Institute, a college in Zurich, Switzerland, I was turned down because I didn't have a high school diploma. I worked hard and received my diploma and was finally accepted into the institute. And after I graduated, I tried to find a job teaching at a university. But again, I wasn't able to do what I planned. In 1902, I got a job at the Swiss Federal Patent Office in Bern, Switzerland. This was an ideal position for me. My job was to study all sorts of new inventions. Then I fell in love, got married, and became a father. One thing I remember is that I have no special talents, but I am only passionately curious. For me, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. I discovered E equals mc squared. E equals mc squared is the mathematical formula, and it is called the theory of relativity. And it is an equation that shows the relationship between energy and matter. In 1933, I moved to the United States, where I became a citizen 7 years later. And I believe that anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried something new. That is all from me, and I'm thankful for being invited. Thank you, Jocelyn, and see you all next time. Thank you, Albert Einstein, for the wonderful story. We all learned that hard work pays off. Thank you, everyone, for being with us until the end, and we hope to see you all next time. Goodbye! Thank you for your wonderful inventions. One of my motivator. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried something new. Don't forget what Einstein said. It may be useful for your future. Don't forget to stay happy and healthy. Thank you for listening and hope you enjoy.